family.
It was crappy yesterday. It was crappy the day before. No crust?
No crust.
What'd you put in that sandwich?
Not kidding, Dong! Get out there!
I need nos. I need nos. You know, I think we should go out sometime.
Friday night at 10. Is that good for you?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Good. Oh, I'd love to see that one. Hate to see that one, actually.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
Dude, I almost had you.
Almost had me? It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. You never had me. You never had your car. Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should. You're lucky that 100 shot of NOS didn't blow the welds on the intake. Almost had me. Now me and the mad scientist gotta rip apart the block and replace the piston rings you fried. You know you owe me a 10-second car, right?
I owe you a 10-second car.
catch myself on the wayside. Only takes one look into your eyes and I won't be the same.